Squid, environment, habitat, and importance. Their common name is squid, and their scientific name is Teuthida. Squid phylum is Mollusca, and their class is Cephalopoda. Cephalopoda is the same group as octopus and cuttlefish. Cephalopoda actually refers to head foot because their arms are directly attached to their head. Squid can be found in oceans all over the world, and some species live in shallow coastal waters, while others live thousands of feet deep in dark, colder parts of the ocean. They have very soft, torpedo-shaped bodies that make them fast swimmers, and depending on the species, they can be a couple inches to over a school bus in length. Their torpedo-shaped bodies that makes them fast swimmers is really helpful when it comes to hunting. When they are hunting, they use two long tentacles to grab prey, such as fish, shrimp, and even smaller squid. And once they've caught their food, they use a very sharp bird-like beak to bite onto it, and then a radula, which is a tongue covered in little tiny teeth that shred their prey before they swallow it, making it easier to swallow. They also have other prey such as crab, shrimp, and plankton. And while they're good, intelligent hunters, they also have many predators. These include whales, typically sperm whales, larger seabirds, seals, and even humans. You may know them better as calamari. There's many unique traits about squid. However, I'm going to highlight three. First is their ink sac. You can see it in this diagram on the top right. This ink sac is used to escape predators. It shoots out a cloud of dark ink, confusing their predators and hopefully averting danger. They have abnormally large eyes. These are highly developed and very useful when they're thousands of feet deep in these dark trenches. Next, their camouflage. This is not only useful to escape predators by looking like a rock or a coral or just simply blending into the seafloor, but it's also used for catching their prey. They use their camouflage to sneak up on prey. On the tree of life, squid belong to kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, and class Cephalopoda. This means they are related to shellfish, such as snails and clams. However, instead of developing slow, shelled grazers, they developed as fast, soft-bodied predators. Ecologically, squid are extremely important. They help keep fish and crustaceans in balance and serve as vital food source for many ocean predators. Economically, they are very important because of the squid fishing industry. And to humans, they are not just food, but they are also used for science. Their giant nerve fibers have been used in research to understand how nerve signals work, helping scientists to understand the human brain and human muscle function. They're used in neuroscience, biomedical, and camouflage research. Thank you so much. These are my sources that I've used.